Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment in my last video. So for today's video, we're going to be using my square extra short soft gel fill nail covers. You guys absolutely love this shape. This is a bestseller in my Etsy shop, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for supporting not only my Etsy shop but my YouTube channel as well. I love you guys so much, and your support is beyond appreciated. But as always, you guys already know the drill. The link to these will be down below, and I'm just going in and sizing out my full nail covers before we begin our design. For our design today, I'm doing a fall look. It's super simple, super easy. I'm not going to be showing you guys the process from start to finish, as in prep. So if you want to know how to do prep and you would do this before sizing out your nail covers, I'll leave a link down below to a video that does include that. For application, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. This is another bestseller, and I'm so happy you guys love this product just as much as I do. The texture is like a putty texture, and it's super duper easy to use. As you can see, all I did was went in and scooped out literally a pea size amount, and you just press it on your nails and go. I never show curing in my videos, and everyone always has questions on it. I should probably start putting like little flashers or like something on the screen to let you know when I'm curing. I just edit it out because it takes up so much time that's like unnecessary. My videos would be like 20 minutes long. But I do go in and I cure my nails. I don't cure after every single finger. I cure 4 fingers at a time, and then I always cure my thumbs separately. It's not the same every time. Sometimes when using like polygel or other methods, you do want to cure individually, just if your nails like slipping and sliding. But with this, since it's like a putty texture, it stays pretty much in place, so you can just do 4 fingers, cure, and then your thumbs separately. So from start to finish, this step is super quick. As you can see, I got all 4 fingers applied within under a minute, even though this is kind of sped up, and you're done. So I love this product because of how easy it is to use and how quick it is, because as you guys know, sometimes doing nails can just drag. So this definitely takes your nail process and speeds it up times a million. So if you never tried this product before, I definitely recommend picking it up and giving it a try. Alright, so here's what the nails are looking like, super quick and easy. Now, we are doing a simple design, but you do want to do a little bit of prep before going in and applying any type of gel polish. So I'm going in with this drill bit. It's a circular drill bit, and I'm just going in and sanding down the cuticle area. Just really want to make sure that you get any of that excess solid nail tip glue gel from around your cuticles fully removed. But this is also just going to help blend in your cuticles with the soft gel fill nail covers. They're pretty much flush when you use this product, but this is really just going to help flush it to your cuticles even more. You don't have to go in with a sanding band and sand down the tops of your nails to dull them out to apply gel polish, because these are soft gel full nail covers. They aren't ABS plastic, so you won't have any problems with like chipping or lifting of gel polish. You can just go in right away and apply that. But as you can see here, I'm just going in now with an 80/80 grit nail file and just shaping my nails. I like a really square, sharp edge look, so I'm just going in and really perfecting that. Soft gel full nail covers truly do all of the work for you. Sorry y'all, that's Archie, as you guys know, my dog. Oh my god, they do all of the work for you. So this process and this step is super quick and easy as well. Alright, so at this point, if you did fully prep your nails, you can go in and dust them off, but I also recommend washing your hands just to really get all that dust and debris off. I am going to go in though with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and wipe down my nails before we begin doing our design. So for polish today, I'm using this Beetles polish. This is in the shade B41. I did get this out of a kit, and I'll be sure to leave the kit to these Beetles polish is plural because there's going to be like I think 20 in them, 20 in it down below. But I really love the Beetles polishes. I'm not a fan of their black and white, I will say that, but their colors and their kits that they have, if you're a beginner and you don't have money to spend on a whole bunch of different like OPI gel polishes and stuff like that, these are great. Not only because you get a huge variety of color, but they're in really small bottles, so it saves up a lot of space in your nail room. And on top of that, it's like you're never gonna go through. OPI polishes are different because if you do your own nails, then you typically use like those really popular colors, those really common colors that you tend to go for often. So you might use a full bottle of that and go through another one. But like this color right here, it's not a color that you would use every time you do your nails. You know what I mean? So it's not like you would use up the color often. So they're really handy in my opinion because of that. They help save a ton of space, and also you get so many different varieties of colors to choose from. And I mean, I haven't ran out since, so I really do recommend them for sure, especially if you're a beginner and also if you're on a budget, because they're super inexpensive and they're super high quality gel polishes. So here's what we're looking like. I did do 2 coats of this color, but as you can see, 1 coat is good, but I wanted it to be a really rich, deep color, so I went in and did 2 coats of that. As always, I mentioned it before, you do want to do your thumb separately. I used to just go in and do my thumb at the same time. Take that extra 20-30 seconds and do your thumb separately. So for top coat, I went in with the Model 1's gel top coat. This is not their no wipe, this is their regular gel top coat. It's amazing, it's my favorite, and I'm just going in and doing a coat of that. Last and final step is cuticle oil, my absolute favorite. It just really makes your nails pop. I say it in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are, you need to invest in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. Alright, so here's the final look. It's the perfect nails for the fall, super cute, love the shorties, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite Starbucks drink is for this fall spooky season in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!